Okay, welcome to another live stream. So today I'm going to remake Flappy Bird. I'm going to try to make it in 10 minutes, then I'm going to add some more features after 10 minutes have passed, but I'm going to try to remake the base system or the base mechanic of Flappy Bird under or in 10 minutes. Okay, so I just got ready and just I don't want the loading time too, so I just like opened three scripts: player, tube, and game. But I haven't written anything. Welcome to another live stream. So today I'm going to remake Flappy Bird. I'm going to try to make it in 10 minutes, then I'm going to add some more features after 10 minutes have passed, but I'm going to try to remake the sorry about that. I just had a replica of my YouTube open here, so yeah, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to remake. Um, okay, so ready. If there are any hearing problems on my voice, just please let me know. So, yeah, I'm probably gonna get started. So, everything ready. So, main camera, nothing there, just sample scene script. Okay, so let's set the timer and let's get ready. Um, I'm just going to set up so everything works. Okay, so let's start, I guess. Wait. Okay, so yes, I'm going to start. So I'm just going to turn on the timer for 10 minutes and let's begin. Okay, so I have my main camera. I'm going to drag in the game script on top of it. Load, and next I'm going to add my pre-made triangle over here. And next I'm going to quickly add the script here called player, and on this player I'm going to make this 8. This is going to be a polygon collider 2D. Come on. And now I'm just going to add a rigid body 2D. Quickly adjust the values so match how much I want it to be. Continuous. Now I'm going to go back to there, and I'm going to like rigid body 2D. No, B. And now over here on this update function. Come on. My computer is very slow. So if input.get key down key code dot space. Oh, pause for a second. This weird problem. Sorry that I had to pause. Just so it's correct. I don't know why it's not correct. Oh, just now. Where is it gathering? I'm gonna have to probably pause each time it's loading something. Is this correct? Why is this not correct? It has to be correct. Oh, right. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to add RB dot add force, then vector 2 dot up multiplied by, let's say 300. Now click so the player controls are done. Let's head over to this cube and let's reference let's quickly make everything usable. So public let's say do public rigid body 2D RB, and then I'm just going to say RB dot velocity equal to new vector 2, and then there's going to be negative, let's say 5. Now this is going to be 0. Now in the game here, I'm going to add an enumerator function. Enumerator start spawning pipes, and now I'm going to I'm just going to first I'm going to reference a couple of stuff. So I'm going to do public game object pipe prefab, and then I'm just going to public transform pipe spawn origin. Now I'm just going to do game object equal to instantiate pipe prefab, and then it's going to be the pipe spawn origin dot transform dot position. We're also going to name it this pipe prefab spawn. Here we go. And now over here, I'm just going to do destroy pipe spawned prefab spawned, and after let's say 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, and then do yield return new wait 4 seconds, do 2 seconds, do 1.5 seconds, and then we can just start coroutine, start spawning pipes. I'm just gonna copy this line to the start of here, and now I'm going to, so I think the scripts are now almost done. So let's go back to Unity, just wait for import, I'm just gonna pause while it's importing, and I'm just not going to make anything yet. Wait. So by the way, the project is going to be available on my Patreon, so it's just for $5 a month you can get this and other cool projects. So yeah, please, link in the description. Okay, let's continue. And now the bird, I'm going to reference this rigid body 2D. Now quickly, I'm going to add some stuff. So in the camera, I'm going to first I'm going to add a new game object, pipe spawn origin. So now I want to spawn it somewhere over here. Now I'm just going to add this pipe on top of that. This is just a sprite renderer, so nothing much. Now I'm going to create a new game object, call this pipe. This pipes renderer, we're down there, and I'm going to rescale the pipe. Okay, now I'm going to just drag this over here. Going to on this object, I'm going to reset the transform, and on this pipe I'm going to move it over here. So they start over here. So on the pipe prefab, I'm going to adjust some stuff. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to on this pipe, I'm going to add the pipe I mean tube script. I don't know why I called it tube though. Now I'm gonna go into rigid body 2D. Then I'm going to add some box colliders. So I'm going to add some box colliders. And now I'm going to add them over here. This new, and then I'm going to edit it and add it over there. Just like this. Now I'm going to go to this, add this rigid body there, and make sure the gravity scale is equal to 0. And now this main camera. Make sure if you drag it on this pipe spawn origin, they should go like this. So now I'm gonna go on this main camera object and drag in this pipe spawn origin and the pipe prefab. And now I have to play the game. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's pause while I just test. Wait. There. Let's make this 500. So while I just wait for it to like import myself and play, because it's not actually making the game or remaking. So basically I'm just gonna play and see what progress is made so far. So let's see. Why is it so laggy? It is like so laggy. I don't know why. Let me see. So kind of weird. Like I don't know really high CPU using applications open right now, so I don't know. Please. Okay, basically this is almost a basic remake. Just one thing, I want to test it out without having that lagginess, so let's try it again. Oh, come on, stop that lagginess. It's really weird. Let me see. So, see, where's the triangle? It was there already. It's really weird. Let's try it. Let's see. Come on. It's really not that low CPU, but I don't know what's wrong in the beginning. So, it's just because my computer's really laggy. Maybe you could support me on my Patreon as well, so I could like maybe get a better setup. But I can only have 8 gigabytes RAM, so but I think I already got something. What I can do is let's turn on the timer again, and if I open up the spike prefab, take this object, maybe make the distance a bit wider, so I have some time, even with my likeness, to try to win it. the game. So for now, stop the timer and play the game. Let's see how it's going to look. So basically, I'm still making it in 10 minutes. I just pause the game when I play it, so I can like test without lagginess. So come on, and okay, this is better, I guess. Let me see. So if I run again, okay. So what I'm gonna do is go over here and set the gravity scale to 4. And set this to 1,000. So I want more like go up faster and go down faster, like more like so I can control the movement better in a better way. So pause again. No, it's bad. So let's go open up the timer and go here. Make this. Let's make this 3,000. Let's pause the timer again. We have 50 seconds left. Okay, I think we're like actually done with the prototype. This is like the most basic remake of Flappy Bird I have ever even seen. Okay, here we go. My computer's really laggy. Hopefully I won't have to change a lot of settings. Oh, quicker! I just want to make it as quick as possible so that I don't have to waste my last 49 seconds. So still bad. So let's make it maybe 100,000. Let me see, let's go back to Unity. So I know we tested it with 1,000, but I still didn't quite catch it because it was very laggy in that time. So maybe right now it'll be better. This is pretty good, I think. We still have some time. We still have some stuff we can change, like the colors and all that. We'll change it in the last 44 seconds. So let's change the colors. So let's make the bird say like blue. And let's make the pipes. Let's make the pipes red. Those are like have to be red. I know that's not really a pipe color. Let's make the background white. Okay, let's see the result now. And okay, so basically have a really weird looking remake. And the reason for that, I don't think I have time to fit in 20 seconds, but still, let's try though. What we could do is that every time you like touch a wall, you just restart the level. So I mean, let's try. Okay, go to pipe here and make this. Yeah, we have to make it quicker. Void on collision enter 2D, and if now we're done with the timer. Okay, I guess we did it. I guess we made it in 10 minutes. I guess we made a basic copy. Yeah, I think I'm actually quite surprised that I managed to do it. So yeah, let's add some more things on top of this. So let's do if collision dot game object dot tag equal to pipe. I think that's the tag I have. And so yeah, it's PIP, so pipe, yeah. And just going to restart the level. So I'm just going to use the namespace Unity engine.scene management. Now I'm just going to do scene manager dot load scene, then going to do scene manager dot get active scene dot build index. And now, but still won't work yet. So I'm going to go to the it's loading. Okay, so go file, build settings, and just add open scenes. And now here, here I'm just going to I hope it's gonna work now. So yeah, it works. But yeah, it basically works. Some basic, super basic Flappy Bird remake done in around I think 12 minutes, because I made a basic prototype without like the death system in under 10 minutes, or like in 10 minutes. But this is done I think in around 13 minutes, so yeah. It's just pretty cool now. And also, this doesn't really have a bird or anything like that. Just triangles, trying to avoid squares, but still it's a remake, so yeah. I'm gonna post this project in my Patreon, so make sure to please support me there. And just for membership for $5 a month, you'll get this project and many others, and maybe get my Discord server. Discord server link is in the chat, so yeah. Thank you for watching this live stream. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you soon in my videos and maybe other live